What's up guys, it's Caleb with UTV Source, and today we're taking a look at the Rugged Radio's Complete Communication Kit. Each kit is going to include a radio, intercom, and dual mounting bracket, 2 helmet kits or headsets with intercom cables, a push-to-talk system, an audio filter, grounding straps, and an antenna with mount. This kit includes the M1 Race Series radio, which has an RFI reflective aluminum chassis and a waterproof IP67 sealed housing. It transmits in both digital and analog. Your radio will come with an intercom connector and remote accessory hub, which allows for easy access to program your radio. This kit includes the 696 Plus intercom system. You can listen to music and take phone calls over Bluetooth. When you're ready to talk to your passengers, an auto music dimming feature will dim the music to make sure that nobody misses a word in the conversation. When you're ready to talk to somebody outside the vehicle, you can utilize the push-to-talk system, which also integrates with the music dimming feature. This kit includes 2 helmet kits or headsets of your choice. It has ports for 5 on the back, but can actually be expanded up to a total of 8. If you opt for the Alpha Bass headset option, you get increased functionality with independent volume and bass control. The Alpha Audio helmet kits are a great option to integrate with most helmet types. They're especially useful for communicating with your passengers and group members when you're riding through areas that require helmet usage. To bring this whole kit together, Rugged Radios provides you with a mounting bracket for both the intercom and radio system. You can get your Rugged Radios Complete Communication Kit for your make and model at utvsource.com. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, life's a ride. Make it your own.